Everyone wants respect. But here's the hard truth. Most people are chasing likes, not respect. I used to be that person. The one who said yes to everything, smiled through disagreements, and stayed in rooms that didn't deserve me. All because I wanted people to like me. But the thing about being liked is, it's temporary. People like you when you make them feel good. They respect you when you make them think. And the first person who needs to respect you is you. Think about it. How many times have you stayed silent just to keep the peace? How many times have you agreed with something that didn't sit right with you because you didn't want to seem difficult? Every time you do that, you're teaching yourself that other people's comfort is more important than your own values. Respect starts when you stop compromising for approval. I learned this the hard way in college. I wasn't into partying, but my friends were. And instead of leaving, I kept showing up, trying to fit in, trying to be liked. But deep down, I knew I was wasting time in a room that wasn't mine. And the day I walked away, I finally started to respect myself. That's lesson 1. Choose respect over being liked. Because when you respect yourself, you naturally attract people who do the same. Lesson 2. Consistency builds confidence. You don't earn respect in one big moment. You build it in 1,000 small ones. When you say you'll do something, and you actually do it, people start to believe in you. When you cancel last minute, disappear, or forget, they don't. Respect is not built through words. It's built through patterns. So ask yourself, do your actions tell people they can count on you? Because consistency doesn't just build trust, it builds power. Lesson 3. Boundaries. Most people don't lose respect because they're bad people. They lose it because they never enforce boundaries. You have to decide what kind of energy you'll tolerate, and once you decide, don't explain, don't apologize. Just act accordingly. People may not like it at first, but over time they'll respect you for it. Lesson 4. Master your craft. You can't expect respect if you're not great at something. Get so good at your thing that people have no choice but to notice. Pick one skill, one area, and get undeniable results in it. Because results speak louder than personality ever will. When you walk into a room and people know you deliver, you perform, you own your space, you don't have to ask for respect. It's automatic. And finally, number 5, let your actions talk. People may underestimate you. They might ignore you. Let them. Because real respect isn't about how loud you talk. It's about how much you prove. If you stay consistent, set your boundaries, master your craft, and keep showing up when no one's watching, you won't need to demand respect. You'll become the kind of person who naturally commands it. So stop trying to be liked. Start becoming someone you'd respect. Because when you respect yourself first, the world has no choice but to follow.